the new YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you with the Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys are doing well. I have on my I Love Mom t-shirt. This is Mother's Day weekend. I know this won't be uploaded for a while because I just know. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm just getting ready for Mother's Day and just preparing a nice small luncheon here at the house. Instead of us, running around trying to find a restaurant and things of that nature, we've just learned to just be home and everybody just come here and eat and enjoy ourselves safely in the comfort of our home. So I went to Dollar Tree for the simple fact of it's Teachers Appreciation Week, so I went to go get some items for the teacher and also find some kind of snacks like chips or things of that nature at Dollar Tree to fill up the table for the kids to have while we are preparing ourselves for Mother's Day. I am going to show you this that did not come from Dollar Tree. This came from Target, the dollar spot. So we got these beautiful things. I guess my sister's going to write some kind of cool thing. She probably got this for, $1.50. This was $3, which was a nice tall bucket she could fill with ice and put, individual Coke bottles in here just to make it festive. Also got these beautiful bowls. They're 5 a piece, so we'll have chips and we'll put a dip sauce in here. And we have it in yellow as well. So we'll have a nice little festive thing, and hopefully I'll have I know the Snapchat vlog would be up before this video, but definitely you guys will be able to see my little DIY backdrop that I've created for Mother's Day, the tables and things of that nature. So sorry for the blur. And that was the main trip, was for Teachers Appreciation Week, and decided to pick up a couple of other things. I did spend $30. I don't know what's going on, but I am going up in price. I have just a basket, so it's weird for me to have $30 worth of anything in a very small basket while I'm in the store. But I wanted to show you one of my favorite finds that I did find from Dollar Tree. I do go out a lot and about, mainly to the beach area or, somewhere sunny. And I thought this was cute. This is a food tent. So you put food in here, to cover it so that no bugs and things of that nature would get in it. And it's very portable. And I was really happy to see this at Dollar Tree. So it's something portable that you could take with you if you're on the go and you just want something to protect the food, because I have a lot of hot dogs and hamburgers. That would be perfect to put under it just to protect it from any bugs that's trying to get to it. Okay, I think I have a total of 5 bags. So I will go with this one here. My mom was looking for a spray bottle, so I went and got her one. I don't know what happened to mine. Mine is missing too. My youngest son, is into DVDs. He watches some guy on DVD on YouTube that opens and closes DVDs, and he talks about them. So I went and got him one that's God Saves Our Farm. He's been putting them in the DVD players, ruining people's movie experiences, because once you put these things in, the TV automatically goes to DVD, and it just takes eternity to put it back onto whatever we were watching prior to that. So we're trying to, explain to him, stop putting the DVD in TV. Also got the World of Discovery Shark Chronicles, and there's another one that's Almost Naked Animals. It's My Party. So these are going to be for him. We do have a DVD player up here, and if he wants to put it in there, he's more than welcome to. Also got him these house kits. So it comes with the little cutouts already, and it's 3 stories. And this one is the farm, so the animals and things, so that would help him a lot. Can't wait for him to, for us to set it up for him. We also got the Race car shop. This was the barn, and this is the car shop. So it's 3 stories, and there's a cutout of like things, and I just know he'll like it because it's something new. He's never used these before, so definitely excited to try those. I picked up 2 boxes of the Breeze, the floral and the lavender. Two of my favorites. Also went down the 4th of July aisle and I saw this beautiful scarf. It is simply beautiful. And this weekend, Mother's Day weekend, I'm going to have my hair out. So I have bought another scarf that I gotta find. And I'll wrap that up. Just gonna be out there. Hopefully I could capture that on video for you guys. And I got some batteries. Some simple AA batteries. Now, I got some cleaning supplies. That's my sister. I will call her right back if she keeps attacking me. I do apologize. I got the Fabulosos and the long lasting. Hi, I am recording for YouTube. It's right in the front. Which Dollar Tree are you at? Okay, it's right in the front. I mean, right in the front. You should be able to see it next to the graduation aisle. No, it's not even in that. It's not even in the aisle. It's on the outskirts. It's in the front. You'll see it, like close to where the ceramic decor is. Sorry. It's in the front. You see it? All right. Bye. My sister's at Dollar Tree. I'm going to show you what she was calling me for because I showed her the bags. It is T-shirt appreciation week, so it's going to come up. No, it's actually right there. Let me show you. I have 3 kids, 3 teachers. Some of them have assistants too. But she's looking for these. And they were $1. And they were super cute. And that was the reason for her call. She was trying to find out exactly where they were located. Because Baby Des has teachers. He actually has 3. And she's trying to get it so she could set up their bags for tomorrow. So I went and got one of these. I got 2 of... I got the Glade. I think I have another one. It might be in the other bag. The lavender. It's for my kids' bathroom. The Swatel Morning Sun. Just picked this up to mix with the other one. And this was new for me. It might not be new for the store, but I found the Clorox Fragrenzanda. I might be saying it wrong. Morning Sky Multi-Purpose Cleaner. So can't wait to put this to use. Right. I got the French fry seasoning, which I got 2. These are really good. These normally disappear super quick here at the house. And I got the Kraft Slow Simmer Original Barbecue Sauce and Dip. Here's another puzzle for my youngest son. Alright. I also got these cups for... I got these, I'm sorry, being disturbed a lot. I got these flamingo cups. Remember, that's the Mother's Day theme. That we'll put in the center for dipping sauce when there's chips and things of that nature. Right. Here's the other Glade. I got the cashmere wood, which is my favorite. That's from my bathroom. Got some tape. I also got this sponge here, a bath sponge. Picked up some extra forks. These have the 24 each, so I got those. And my last bag is going to be the Lay's barbecue. Kids love this. The Nestle chocolate favorite quick. Kids love this as well, so I'm going to pick them up. That comes with 6 in the pack. There's 6 in here. And my last item will be some butter ring cookies. And I know they're delicious because this is not my first time getting them. Alright, you guys, this is a long video. Wow, 10 minutes because of all the interruptions. I hope you guys have a wonderful Mother's Day weekend, which I know already passed, but it's okay. And Teachers Appreciation Week. It's just a lot going on in the month of May. I hope you guys continue on being a blessing to others, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.